All right, Nicole. So much for sleeping in my truck all day. I just put on my glove. Hold on. All right, now I'm in the attic. I gotta crawl through that hole. Let's see. Let's go through the hole. Okay. Here we are. Here's the hole. Gotta get in there. Let's see, do I see my snake? Do I see my snake in there? I hope so. Okay, here we go. Going in. Going into the hole. Okay. Oh boy. Here we go. How the hell am I going here? Hold on, Nicole. I gotta put my phone down for a second. Don't go anywhere. Hold on. Oh boy. How the hell am I gonna get it here? Okay, let's see. I'm going in. No. Okay. I'm in the hole. Alright. Does this light bulb work? No. Of course not. Why would it work? Let's see. Alright. So, let's see. Where's my snake? Where's the snake? Where is my snake? I don't see the snake. This is not good. Okay. There it is, I see it. Okay. Here we go. Going into the hole. Going in. Yep. Yep. Look at all these spider webs. Oh, just banged my head. Okay. Where's my snake? Figures, it's all in the corner. Okay. I wonder if I have a flash on this. Ugh, look at all these spider webs I gotta go through. I gotta go through all that shit. Let's wipe all this crap out of here with a stick. Okay. Okay. Get rid of the spider webs. Get rid of the spider webs. Here we go. What the hell am I stepping on anyway? Don't know. Alright. Hope I don't fall through the ceiling. Shit. Here's my snake. Here it is. Alright. Let's see. Here's my wires. Here's the wires. Here's the wires. There we go. Here they are. Okay. Now, I gotta go back. I gotta go back through all this crap. Now I gotta go through back there. All right. So, I'm going to turn it off. I'll record another video for you. Goodbye.